ugima wa mwiiri niyuuretie thirikali itikire guthinga mianya yoothe na iria ihuthikaga nundu wa gukungia dawa cia kurebya bururi-ini na ndumiriri ino erekereirio hingo ya icera muciĩ-ini wa Guthaitira aria mahotetwo ni unyui wa dawa ici kaunti-ini ya Mombatha. Patrick Munene na uria ni munini wa mwikiriri giti Kamitii-ini ino natariria ati mbeũ njithi nio mahotetwo ni undu uyu. Kiriga kinene niki hihi kana dawa ici cia kurebya ikoragwo ikiuma ko kana ikoragwo ikigirira ko ciumite mabũrũri ma nanja.
When we find our children, our brothers and sisters having got lost into drugs, we don't condemn them. What we encourage is getting them back, talking to them and showing them love, because drugs has been a major problem in this country. And we're talking alcohol to add drugs, because today we've been able to see people who are into very serious hard drugs like cocaine and heroin, but they are getting helped and they go back to their normal lives. So we want to say, as government and as members of parliament, we will support this program, we will support this facility and make sure they get the necessary resources. That cocaine out there in the field, how do you tell me that people can wake up in the morning, buy cocaine in a country with a government, and we continually habilitating them without the necessary bodies looking at the source of that cocaine? Because until we address the source, then we are not out of the woods.
And today we are here accompanied by members of the health committee to visit Miritini Center because of the issue of management of HIV among people who use drugs. Injecting drug practices is one of the key contributing factor of HIV in Kenya, especially among men and boys. We know the prevalence is about 18.7% for people who inject drugs on HIV, and that is quite high as compared to the other general population. We are also here because we have a conference, the Maisha Conference, which is a conference that brings together policymakers, it brings together community members, health practitioners and scientists to look at the progress that we've made in the country, as well as the future we want in terms of the direction of where we want to go, so that we can end AIDS as a public health challenge in this country.